Hey everyone, welcome back to Library Exam Hub. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss one of the most important professional organization in the field of library and information science, the Indian Library Association, commonly known as ILA. So, let's begin our session. Before going to in detail, let us understand what are we going to learn in this presentation. By the end of this lecture, you should be able to explain origin, establishment, and institutional identity of ILA. It's important office bearer, headquarters, and understand its organizational structure. We will also study different sectional committee membership categories, geographical zones of ILA. In addition, we will discuss its important publications, awards, conferences, professional activities, and international relationships. Finally, we will revise the most important examination facts and practice some multiple choice questions. So, this presentation is designed not only for conceptual understanding but also for competitive examination preparation. Uh, the this is like when we open the ILA website, we can see the different components like home page. You can see about ILA publications, news and info, some important links like president of ILA is like Pradeep Rai. Remember this. Dr. Pradeep Rai is the president. Now, Dr. Dharam Kumar is general secretary. Remember these two facts. You can see here like logo of ILA. The ILA Indian Library Association registered under the Society Registration Act 1860. Now let us now understand the history of the Indian Library Association. The Indian Library Association was established on uh, 13th September 1933. It was established during the first All India Library Conference, which is held in Calcutta. And the founder president of ILA is AC Woolner. Remember the former founder president. It is registered under the Societies Registration Act 1860. The primary purpose of ILA is promote library information sciences in India, advance the library movement. Okay, remember this two facts. First president is M.O. Thomas and first secretary is K.M. Asadullah. Its headquarters is in Delhi, Mukherjee Nagar. The objectives of ILA uh, to further the library movement across India, to promote training and professional development in library science, enhance the professional status of libraries and librarians in the country, encourage and promote research in library and information science, cooperation with international organizations having similar objective, to publish bulletins, periodicals and books, contributing to advancement of library science, to assist in establishing libraries, documentation centers and information services throughout the India, to advocate for appropriate library legislation in India, to provide a common platform for LIS professional through conferences, meetings and discussions, right? To accredit institutional offering LIS institutions and training, to develop standards and guidelines for effective management of library and information systems. You can like quick exam revision. ILA objectives include like library movement, professional development, uh, research, cooperation, publication, library establishment, legislation, professional platform, and accreditation and standards. These are the major objectives of ILA. Now, its constitutions and organizational structure, which includes the three components are responsible for policy making and execution of ILA programs. What are they like? First is council, the second one is executive committee, the third one is sectional committee. Council includes office bearer, then elected a council member, institutional council members, sectional chairman, and eligible past president. These are the members, council members. Executive committee includes like president, senior vice president, general secretary, treasury, and secretaries, librarian, public relation officer, and nominated members are the components of executive committees. Coming to sectional committees, specialized committees covering sectors and subject areas of libraries and information. This sectional committee includes sectors, and the council represents the broader membership and institutional structure. The executive committee manages key administration and operational responsibility. Let us now look at the composition of the ILA council. The council includes all office bearers, 20 council members elected from among ILA members, excluding associate members, with one reserved council member each. Okay. Council members representing institution and chairman of each ILA section, and past president of ILA who, who are a valid member. These are the this is the composition of council. Remember this. Like council is a broad representative body of ILA, like 20 elected council members. Now we come to executive committees, which is an important part of administrative structure of ILA. The core executive committees include the president, uh, senior vice president, general secretary, treasurer, two secretaries, and librarian and public relation officer. Three members nominated from the nominated by the council, right? Then office bearers, already we discussed, right? The president, six vice presidents, general secretary, two secretaries, treasurer, librarian, and public relation officer. Now let us discuss the sectional committees of ILA, right? These are the sectional committees: agricultural libraries, engineering and technology libraries, education in library and information science, public libraries, special libraries, government department libraries, health science libraries, oriented libraries, school libraries, then university and college libraries, and library information technology centers and knowledge resource centers. These are the sectional committees of ILA. The membership categories. These are the different types of membership categories we can find in ILA. Then like a patron, honorary membership, we can subscribe for these different types of membership: life memberships, institutional membership, ordinary memberships. Everyone can subscribe for this ordinary membership, like cost about 270 5 for 365 days. For annual subscription of ordinary membership is like 275. Other library association and foreign members, foreign institutional members. These are different types of membership categories. When you visit to the ILA website, you can find this membership category, and you can be the member of the ILA by subscribing. ILA, now we come to the geographical organization of ILA, right? There are, as I earlier mentioned, there are like nearly six zones: southern zone, central zone, eastern zone, western zone, and northern zone, and union territory zones. When you subscribe, you should also mention the which zone you belong, and each zone have the secretary. The major publications, like publications are one of the most important professional activity of ILA, right? One of the major publication in the Journal of Indian Library Association, commonly known as JILA. Official quarterly journal of ILA, established in 1963. It covers a diverse aspect of library information science. Then coming to ILA newsletter, monthly publication, reports news from foreign and state. It includes events, conferences, seminars, webinars, appointments, awards, and achievements. Also covers pictures and noteworthy readings, rare pictures, and book reviews. You can find it. ILA also contribute to professional communication through conference proceedings, monographs, and books. Right? Conference proceedings include like annual conference proceedings captures contemporary research development in library and information science, right? Monographs and books. IL has like published books addressing challenges and development in university libraries and LIS field. Remember this three important facts. Like JILA is a quarterly journal since 1965. Newsletter like a monthly professional newsletter, conference proceedings, annual conference, research and development. Now, another important professional activity of ILA is recognizing excellence through award and fellowships. This includes uh, Dr. PSG Kumar Lifetime Achievement Award, Kaula Best Librarian Award, Gidwani Deshpande Best Librarian Academic Librarian Award, then AG Motiwale Award, then we have Nike membership. ILA Dr. SM Ganguly Best Library Award, LM Pandey Best University Library Award, CD Sharma Award, PV Varghese Award, and a fellowship of like Dr. K. Padma Umapati and Umaparth. Now let us look at some of the major activities of ILA. ILA conduct annual general meetings and conference and seminars. It organizes continuing education programs for library professionals, collaborate with professional bodies such as IASLIC, AGLIS, DLA, IATLIS, FID, COMLA. It provides consultancy for institutionals include Labasana, IGNCA, and IGNOU, assisted in drafting of national policy on library information science. It also gives assist in drafting national policy related to libraries. Then revamped Dr. Ranganatha and Dr. Venkatappaya's model library. Resource notes revision in 1995 and Public Libraries and Information Act, Services Act. ILA also plays an important role in professional and in international cooperation. Within India, it works with organizations such as Joint Council of Library Association of India, which is like JOCLAI, IASLIC, State Library Association, and other professional bodies. International levels, international activities includes uh, it is affiliated with IFLA and Commonwealth Library Association, hosted 1992 IFLA General Conference in Delhi, organized international seminar on Ranganathan's philosophy. IFLA, UAP, and FID. Remember these acts. Now it is time for a quick revision. Let us revise the most important ILA facts. Like it is established in 13 September 1933. Venue includes first All India Library Conference in Calcutta. The founder president is A.C. Woolner. The first president, Dr. M.O. Thomas. The first secretary, K.M. Asadullah. Its headquarters located in Delhi. Registered under the uh, Societies Registration Act 1860. Then journal, official quarterly journal. is JILA, established in 1965. Newsletters like monthly publications. Main structure of the ILA is we have council, executive committee, and sectional committees. Like we have 6 zones and sectional 11 sectional committees. These are the some model practice question. You can go through it by yourself. So what we have learned from today's presentation is ILA has played an important role in the growth and promotion of library movement in India. It work extend behind the professional association activities to research, publication, accreditation, and professional development and policy advocacy. ILA provides a common platform for LIS professional and support continuing professional development. The association continues to evolve with changing technologies and information environment. Future facing priorities highlighted in the source including the policy advocacy, professional development and technological integration. Right? Remember these points which are important for examination. These are the references. Right? So this brings us the end of the today's lecture on the Indian Library Association ILA. I hope this presentation has helped you understand the history, objective, organization structure, membership, zones, publication awards, activities, and uh, other important aspect which are related to examination facts related to ILA. Right? If you found this lecture useful, please like the video, share it with your LIS friends, and subscribe to Library Exam. For more videos on UGC Net, set IGNOU, BLIS, MLIS, and library information, stay connected with Library Exam Hub.